Bor Kapatisi TV.
Pfrfa Phutbol Academy ha ka hendrotri ukalalang kon araja apun rio kalapan banapaj ba bakan sepelong ya ke International Shillong Under 15 Youth Cup kabaning kong hari ni ke Jylla kaban sedang duduk khara atrek ukalalang kon araja apun rio ya ka baon sepelong hamadan Ïalehkai football hakisnong nongkrem hakani ke lempung Ïalehkai ki dan kumba sautli ki team na ke Jylla Meghalaya bakan thop ya ka Pfrfa Baichung Butia Football School Shillong ka Little Star Football Academy Mairang lembat ka nongkrem sports club karba ki wei pagi Khynnah Ïalehkai Nabar ke Jylla kilong na Kalimpong Sikkim Manipur ban Guwahati ban na ki wei pagi Jaka ban nagari Nepal hak jeng kran bikalat pathai khubor Rishi Raj talukdar bat Prashal Sharma ki bade co-founder jong ka Pfrfa Events and Sports klei thu bakila Khot ru ya ka Khynnah Ïalehkai nagari Spain henai namar ki Khynnah Ïalehkai ki dangdan hapring ka examen kim shim lala shu ban wanya shimenta how news nem Kejing temu ke bakong san jong ni ke lempung Ïalehkai kalau mon Kyntiew ka sab Ïalehkai football jong ki Khynnah Trai muluk na ni ke Jylla Meghalaya.
We are organizing the first ever International Shillong Youth Under 15 Youth Cup. So we have teams participating from Nepal, rest of India parts like Kalimpong is there, Sikkim, Manipur, Shillong, Guwahati and so on. We did invite some of the teams from Spain also, but because of some like exams and all, they couldn't join this year. Main objective of this tournament is to bring out the youths to explore and get proper exposure throughout this tournament and play against different clubs throughout. And fortunately, we are partnered with one club in Spain. So one best player from the lot, that is from the tournament, he'll be getting free training for 15 days at Spain. And also, since we are also associated with some of the tournaments that is in Thailand, Bali, Indonesia and all this. So what we have offered is that they have a registration fee. So all the finalists or semi-finalist team, the registration fee will be waived for them. So all the teams, the 4 teams, they can join the tournament for free without any registration fee. Just they have to pay the accommodation and transport fees. So yeah, that's all about the tournament.
We are trying to have this youth cup. We are planned it to be done annually. So because if you see that football, the players need a lot of exposure. So we are doing it at the under 15 level because at a young age, when these players get this exposure, where with international teams, the game can develop. So we are planning. This is the first edition, of course, but we plan to get it done more higher and better in the other editions to come. And we are trying to target the youngsters so that they get more motivated. Seeing them, more players also would like to develop. Seeing all these tournaments and playing with different mix of players. So we want the players to get a lot of exposure, and we are promoting football in the Northeast as well. So main agenda for that is another reason why we are holding this Youth Cup, and we plan to have it in a bigger way in the years to come.
Actually, it's a Spain owned by David, something I forgot and I have to check. So they are in the tier 3. So they are having players who are from India. They do regular scouting. They take players. So the main focus will be to have the players under 15 to play and get 15 days trials and exposure out there. So once the player plays well, obviously there's a high chance of retaining the player out there in the club. But for that, the player must have crossed age 18. So initially, at least for 15 days, they can get the experience of out there how the proper environment is there to play in. Because we have seen throughout in India the playing conditions very much different. In rest of Asia is different, and in Spain is very much different. So at least for 15 days, they will at least get some taste. How is it? Then obviously, if they play well, then they can go through it. Actually, we are going with under 15 because it's a vital stage for the player development also. And we are starting with 15, and then main focus is the grassroots development only. So once this gets over, we are having plans to bring out different age group tournaments nationally, locally. So once this gets over, then definitely we have our own calendar made up along with Pfrfa also. So we are planning slowly for that.
Pfrfa Football Academy, but the partner ni Pfrfa Events and Sports. The haga jinge dong tilon jinge haga jinge stop tilon jinge ki Khynnah ila mul pelong ya kanika Shillong International Youth Cup under 15 Shillong International Youth Cup kebat sedang nuduk tarik adu kena tarik ke benang teh po madan nongkan te ya kanika event shem kya da kanika Pfrfa Events and Sports bala manage everything habadi ke management po sulong ke management ni kumbolong menta kita South League team support Meghalaya ke manya simenta bala sya Khot ni simenta po kanika tournament po kanika international tournament nak training South League club kata kalong engkau kanika Pfrfa Football Academy kabaar kanika Baitung Bhutia Football School Shillong balai kanika Little Star pemairang bersau kanika nongkrem ka usma ka ai ni malam nakap kini di AT ba ni ko ban pencai ba ba ya kan tournament nan sedang ada pasini kom ya ki details habade ni tournament ngatai lam dia ni Sir Siraj badi co-founder jangka TV Events and Sports Management.